Why did you choose your Oxford Maths course? And then based on that, we could start to talk about the math.
I knew I wanted to go to Oxbridge just because I felt like they had the best maths courses in the country. I wanted the best teaching as possible. Oxford over Cambridge, I just preferred the Oxford maths course. Like, I did my research on both Oxford and Cambridge and like how they're taught and even who's teaching them. I searched up some of the tutors and I just preferred how Oxford maths was taught and like the topics they did. And in addition, like the MAT, I felt was easier than STEP, which maybe a bit easier. But also, like, I like the fact MAT is done at the beginning of year 13, which means it's easier to be more impressive on the MAT than STEP. Because if you do like a bit of extra reading, a bit of looking ahead.
Just going to interrupt this. I kind of agree. Yeah, I think what's quite nice about the MAT is the fact that the content is purely A-level single maths from year 12, broadly speaking. And so that's just to make it accessible to everyone. And I do quite like how it can still stretch you in the fact that you still have only finitely many or a much smaller set of tools or things that you could be assessed on, but yet the questions that are asked are still as creative and as interesting as the STEP exam questions.